What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. In this video we're checking out Arriva Digital, a new dawn in tourism history. This project has been out for a decent while, since 2021, and it's recently starting to wake up. It's recently, from the chart, starting to make some moves to the upside, and that's what we like to see, right? So all this time the team was putting in that work, or else you wouldn't have seen this move up starting to happen. A new dawn in the tourism industry, guys. Imagine the tourism industry with the power of cryptocurrencies, a limitless world for all of us. So this is a use case altcoin, guys, and we're gonna dive into it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. The market cap 3.1 million, and the fully diluted market cap is 4.3 million. So right, majority of the supply is already circulating, which is bullish. So the team can't be selling out their tokens consistently on the market or releasing tokens to the open market. I like what I see here as far as the market cap and FDV, $3 million market cap. This could be a potential 10x, listed on Huobi, Gate.io, Bitmart, and Mexi, ton of other exchanges, guys, right? It's also on Uniswap as well. Arriva is a cryptocurrency launched by Arriva Co., produced for active use in global local tourism and travel networks in the near future. Project is a worldwide B2C travel and tourism network where members can meet with global and local tourism services providers in the light of previous travelers' experiences and comments, made bookings with cryptocurrencies, and earn crypto from both their reservations and valuable content sharing. With the arrival of Arriva, the digital payment system is about to experience a massive innovative turnaround that can change the world and make trading easier and better. ARV came into existence with the intention to make transactions hassle-free in global and local tourism networks in the near future. This is all use case, man. We know how big the tourism sector is. It is a huge market. There's people that always travel, and I haven't seen any projects that are dedicated to tourism. So this is why Arriva could be a huge project in the future. You just never know, right? The project aims at achieving active use in the tourism and travel industry, which is one of the largest and most important industries of the world economy. Exactly. Although none of the previous produced cryptocurrencies have been targeted out to be the game changer in the cryptocurrency world, Arriva's aim is not only to produce a cryptocurrency trade on exchange, but ensure that Arriva is actively used in the tourism industry. And they have different blog posts as well of what they accomplished, guys. Blockchain Travel Summit. Arriva celebrates 1-year anniversary. Wonderland Open Alpha Test. Arriva World. There's a website for that. Arriva Finance. Look at this. They have so much things built out for this project, man. Very nice and very bullish stuff. Arriva Finance. Let's take a look. See, this is their tourism website. Wow. This is what you call a use case, guys. This is what you call like utility. Had a bit of a brain freeze, but this is what you call utility. When average consumers that aren't a part of the crypto space can use your product. Nice stuff. Arriva Finance, accept crypto for your business. Look at this. This is so bullish. This is so bullish, man. Arriva Metaverse. They also have a Metaverse. And Arriva Club. Let's pull it up while... okay, this is Arriva Club, alright. Arriva Wonderland. Future in the past, past in the future. Contract addresses have been updated. Welcome to the future. Time travel in the metaverse. Arriva Wonderland. Wow. Look at this. So much utility built out for the project. Look at that, man. The metaverse and GameFi will make a comeback. It's only a matter of time. You know, a lot of people won't be going out much anymore. A lot of people won't be going out much anymore. They'll be spending a lot of time in the metaverse. It's just a matter of time, man. But that looks great. That looks absolutely great. Travel to earn, second life, marriage, job, trade. And like people will be earning, like literally making a living from the metaverse. It will be developed eventually like that. You could download it for Windows. I might just download it and look into it, man. They have big partners as well. Look at this. Great stuff, man. Look at Coin98 is a partner. It's a big project. Nerve, Binance NFT. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm taken aback by this project, man. This is what you call a good altcoin with nice use case. Leo Investments. Little previews of it right there. Last blog post. Join our community. You could download it straight to your PC. Great stuff. They have their roadmap right here. This is an updated roadmap. Desktop site release. B2C hotel booking. UI improvements. Super fleshed out roadmap. Super fleshed out. Great, man. Of course, on all of the top news sites, of course. And here we go with all the partnerships. Coin98 being a partner. Ledger, big deal. Big deal. 39K Atomic Wallet, StealthX, Coinbase Wallet, Global Star, Crypto.com, Pay, Guardian, Math Wallet being a partner. Math is a great project. Nice stuff from this project, man. Super bullish project. Arriva is the world's most comprehensive tourism and travel ecosystem in the crypto space with its multi-use utility token, ARV. Recently, they did a tweet. Breaking news, a much anticipated draw has been announced doing giveaways. Arriva CEO addressed the entire Arriva community. Sailing to a better future for tourism. Look at this. Making their way to where is this? Where is this summit? A great idea event organized by the Clear Global Cruise Lines. Okay. In the European Parliament. Nice stuff, man. That's bullish. Last day of the giveaway. And yeah, this is the thing as well. Like, the community is very active. 300 to 400 likes, 100 retweets. Project is getting out there. It's only sitting at $3 million in market cap. This could be a hidden gem, guys. Another. This could potentially be a future 10 to 100x. And like I said, when we take a look, this is a StealthX partnership recently. Keynote speaker, Digital Enterprise, Claudia, former member of the European Parliament. Wow. What? Oh, they got the Parliament members a part of the project, speaking with the project. She's the CCO of the project, and she was a former member of the European Parliament, guys. That's super bullish. What? That is super bullish. The world's biggest congress, digital business transformation to happen. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at the tokenomics real quick, man. Right here, showcasing the website. Very active stuff, very bullish, very active on Twitter. You love to see that. The team is still there, putting in that work. Arriva, like Arv right here. So yeah, 72, what is this? 72 billion circulating. 100 billion total. So majority of the tokens are out circulating, right? You love these type of tokenomics. $1,000 gets you how much? Let's see. I gotta take a look for myself. Hold on. I'm mathing right now. Hold on. $1,000 gets you 23 million Arriva. Imagine this goes to $100 billion in market cap. That would be is so insane, man. Previous all-time high, $66 million in market cap. I wouldn't rule out this going to like $1 billion in market cap from here, from $3 million in market cap. The use case is there. The use case is definitely there, man. You know, and then, like I said, the chart is starting to make a move to the upside recently. So I guess people are starting to take notice. Look at this, right? So yeah, guys, just bringing this to your attention. If you already hold ARV, let me get your thoughts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. This is a great altcoin, okay? I'm shocked I found something so good. I'm getting better at crypto every day. This is a great altcoin right here, guys. It's a very slept on one as well. Like 10x to 100x for this project after everything we've gone through. I wouldn't rule it out at all. 30 million, 300 million market cap. You can't rule it out for certain projects, man, at all. So yeah, very bullish stuff. To get access to content like this early, become a Patreon member. Get exclusive access to content, early access, and access to my private Discord, guys. Access to my private Discord where we could come together and get these gains. If you're a part of the ARV community, see this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. If the team sees this video as well, I'd appreciate it if you guys could show support to this video. Everything ARV and myself will be in the description, like I said. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.